All right, number 11. I'm going to explain what we really have here, and then we're just going to look at the easy way to get the answer to these. So I have something to the sixth power. So I have 6 of them. So I literally have 6 of these guys. Yeah, this is a pain to write. Getting a hand cramp. But this is what I have. Now, remember, this means it takes 3 to get out. You should realize that, hey, really, when we have this, which is a third, a third, a third, all together, okay, 3 of them, that's going to produce a 2x. And all these are going to produce a 2x. And so our final answer here is really going to be a 4x squared. 2x times a 2x, 4x squared. That's our answer. But if we look at this, we don't want to write things out all the time. We want to sort of be able to view what's happening. But that is exactly what is happening right there. It's saying you have 6 of these things. Well, if you have 6 of them and inside your index, okay, or on the outside there, you have a little 3, your index. We can this is really a 2x, right? The stuff on the inside. It's a 2x to the 1/3. And then we multiply these by 6, which makes it 6/3, because that's really over 1. So this becomes 2x 6/3, which is that 2x squared, which is what? 2x times 2x, which gives us an answer of 4x squared. So you can look at this as the inside part to the 1/3 times 6 and then get it. Or you can simply take the outside divided by that 3 and get it to this piece right here very quickly, because that is what will happen. So here you can take your 3x and it's your 12 over your 4, because literally you have 12 of these and every 4 is going to create a 3x. So you can see this is just 3x to the third, the whole thing, 3x times itself 3 times. So we do need to think through what that is. 3, 3, 3, that's 27, not 9, because it's multiplication. X times itself will give me x to the third. Number 13, remember there's really a 2 right here. So it's an a squared b, and it's going to be 6 divided by 2, so it's going to be what? To the third. So we have a squared b times a squared b times an a squared b, which do remember is AAB, AAB, AAB. So how many A's do you have? 6. How many B's do you have? 3. A to the 6, B to the third. 14. So this is just going to be the x. 12 over 3, x to the fourth. Piece of cake on that one. And finally, we have 2a to the third. Now remember, there's a 2 here. So this one's a little bit trickier. So we have 2a to the third in here. And then we have 8 over that 2 that's out there, which that's just 4. So I have 2a to the third times itself 4 times. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. You have AAA, 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 AAA. How many A's do you have total? 3, 3, 3, and 3 makes 12 total. So that's 16 a to the 12th.